Here is a scary story that will help you remember how to fold this scary skull designed by Michael LaFosse.
This story begins with a piece of paper that's black on one side, white on the other, and it's square. A deep, dark midnight descended. A flash of lightning revealed a huge mountain, and when the flash was gone, the mountain was gone as well. Inside a castle on top of the mountain was a little girl, and she enjoyed licorice ice cream in a bone cone. She looked out the window on that dark, stormy night, and flashes of lightning made things so bright. Way offshore, she saw a ship with a black mast and sail and a black broken lip. The lightning struck once again, and down the sail went into the waters, and an evil smile from somewhere else observed the calamity. The man in the crow's nest had somehow survived, and he made his way down the mast. He was so glad to be alive. Perhaps it was this shield that gave him protection. He went into the water and unfolded his raft. A wave soon came along and capsized his craft. That evil smile was closer still. 'Twas a ghost, a skull. It gave the little girl quite a thrill. The eyes glowed angry, it seemed, that night. So close came the face, it looked like it might bite. And here we have our wonderful skull. And believe it or not, you can use it as an excellent bookmark. Just hang this part of the skull over the top of any mystery or spooky novel you're reading, and you'll have company when you're most frightened.